So hi, this is Thomas and we're at Nodalview's 2025 offsite.
William from Nodalview. Today we're going to the kayak.
The strategy is first feel the temperature of the water. We were going in with all detail. Then we look at the current, where's the flows.
I think because it's a long way to go to the end, we're gonna start slow and try to do a positive split and to keep up the pace and increase the pace until the end.
Break, beer, frangipane,